Today, we're breaking down a live trade using our main setup, the same structure we use every day to catch clean, high-probability moves. You'll see how we found the entry, managed the trade, and decided when to exit. The goal is simple: show the full thought process so you can use the same approach in your own trading. One of the hardest parts of trading isn't entering, it's knowing when to exit. You can have a great setup and still watch your trade hit stop loss or break even if you hold too long. That not only hurts results, but also affects your mindset. In this breakdown, we'll focus on avoiding that mistake. On screen, you can see the entry and exit points. Here's the setup. After a breakout of a swing or key zone, same for breakdowns, the first traders jump in. Then price pulls back to retest, grabbing liquidity. That's where the second group enters. To bring in late retail traders, price breaks the last swing high or low. Once all the stops are in place, the market reverses. That reversal is what we target. In this trade, the 5-minute chart showed a breakout from strong resistance. Price retested, leaving wicks that attracted buyers. Then it broke the last swing, which was our trigger. As soon as the red candle formed after the break, we went short. The drop was quick and clean, exactly what we wanted. For the exit, we noticed that after a strong resistance break, unless big players keep pushing, the market often traps traders. Our breakout candle was large, a sign of a possible quick reversal or deep pullback as liquidity gets taken back. To avoid a pullback hitting our break-even, we exited after the final breakdown, locking profit. The aim wasn't to grab every pip, but to protect capital and stay consistent. Extra confirmation came from the bigger structure, which had turned from a downtrend to an uptrend. The entry zone was near a higher high, from where price often retraces to make a higher low. Weak buying there supported our short bias. By using structure, liquidity, and trend analysis together, we got a precise entry, controlled risk, and closed a clean win, the kind of trade we aim for in every session. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.